Hey guys, I thought I'd share my September order with you. First, we've got the Ningxia Nitro. My husband and I attended a class about feeding your brain, and this was mentioned, and we've been wanting to try this anyway. So, Frank will be trying this in the Energy Challenge later this month. If you want, you can follow him over at Frank Kiefer Life on Instagram. I ran out of my Ningxia Green, so I'm happy I got this again. Let's see. Einkorn Crunch, that was a gift for placing this order on Loyalty, the monthly orders. And then we've got, let's see, Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol. So this is just a hydrating water that you can mist on hair or your skin. We're going to be using it on our daughter's hair. This is actually the leftover water from distillation. So while it's not heavy in the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood oil, it does still have some of those properties in it. We were low on our toothpaste, so I got a couple of those. Going to be working on the girls with their toothpaste. I was low on Luminize, so a lot of this is just replacing what we were out of. Let's see. BLM, we're gonna try that on our elder dog Dixie. She's been on the Agile Ease, which has helped her, but we don't feel like it's done enough for her. She is moving better, but we feel that she needs a different supplement for her joints, so we'll be trying her on that. Thieves, that was a gift with purchase. Breathe Again, that was another gift with purchase, helping us gear up for the fall and winter seasons and everything that goes around during that time. Same thing with RC and Sniffle E, so we've got adults, kids, teens, everybody taken care of with those. And then we've got Thieves dish soap. Thank you, Lord. We've been out of this for the past couple of weeks. So happy to have this back. I didn't realize we were using our backup. So I will be placing another order of these next month just to get our backup again. And then we've got a giant package of different samples. Let's see, there's toothpaste samples, there's these household cleaner, different oil samples, got some Ningxia in there as well. We've got the Cool Azul pain relief cream sample in there. I will be taking some of these samples and putting them in a gift basket for my vendor event this weekend. Our community is getting together and just holding a fun family fair type thing, so I will have a booth there in Collegedale, Tennessee. Feel free to stop on by. I'll be inside the commons, inside the building. Let's see. And then we've got this last tube. We've got Agile Ease. There with the box. And we've also got Inner Defense. This was another gift with purchase. This is also great for the upcoming season. So I ordered all the stuff back here. All this stuff was free for purchasing this month. And this was for placing it on loyalty reward, or the loyalty orders. So if you have any questions on what you should order, we've got a great app called the Life Steps app that you can take a quiz, and that'll help you figure out if you want to, what ways you can support your body, or you can just start replacing the toxic chemicals in your house, like possibly candles, plug-ins, your household cleaners. I literally use our Thieves household cleaner on everything. So, and laundry is some of the most toxic stuff. So we've got detergent. You can use essential oils on your wool dryer balls. So there's lots of ways I can help you get started with that. If you're not comfortable signing up with me, my husband is also doing this. You can sign up with him. So his Instagram account, like I said, is Frank Kiefer Life. So you can sign up with him if you want. Either way, let's get you started. Bye.